Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ghost touch issues on your Android phone where your screen starts tapping or scrolling on its own. So this problem is usually caused by screen damage or pressure, faulty charger or cable, software glitches, overheating, dirt, dust or moisture. So let's go through some effective solutions. First, clean the screen. Gently clean your screen with soft cloth, tissue or microfiber cloth. Remove dust, moisture, oil or fingerprints because sometimes tiny particles can cause random touches. Second, unplug the charger. If ghost touch happens while charging, unplug the charger and try using a different charger or cable. Cheap or damaged chargers can cause screen interference. Third, restart your phone. Hold the power button and tap restart. This refreshes the system processes and touchscreen calibration. Fourth, let the phone cool down. If your phone feels hot, stop gaming or recording, remove the case temporarily, and keep phone in a cool place because overheating can trigger ghost touches. Fifth solution, remove screen protector because sometimes a thick or damaged tempered glass affects touch response. Carefully remove the phone protector and check if the problem goes away and replace it with a good quality one. Sixth solution, update or reset the apps. For that, go to settings, scroll down and find this option called software update or system and check for new updates. Also uninstall recently installed apps and unknown third-party apps. They may interfere with screen behavior. And only if nothing works, try factory reset. For that, open the settings and go to general management. Scroll down and go to reset. Scroll down and tap factory data reset. This removes deep software glitches. And if ghost touch continues even after all fixes, screen digitizer may be damaged, internal cable may be loose, or battery swelling may cause pressure. Get it checked by a professional technician. And that's how you can troubleshoot and fix ghost touch problems on an Android phone. If this video helped you, like the video, comment your device model, and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.